Now we're gonna do the fun part, the blowback. So if you don't have a pistol that is gas powered and does the blowback, this will be helpful. It's quite easy to do actually. Take a freeze frame. In motion, all you do is click share and save current frame, and it'll save to wherever you want. I'm gonna have it go to the desktop real quick. Most programs you can just do Command F or Command Z, something like that, and it'll create a freeze frame and it'll pop up right in your media spot. Motion takes a little longer because it's actually saving to your hard drive and everything, which is kind of a pain. There it is. Okay, so get your freeze frame, put it back on. So we're gonna bring our freeze frame that we just brought on onto the in between the we're gonna have it come on a frame. No, that would be too early. Okay, have it come on right when the muzzle flash and smoke start. So we're gonna get our freeze frame and we're gonna cut out the part that would go back, this whole part. So let's cut that out real quick. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be moving fast and it'll be just real quick. So that was lined up right. We got our picture here. It's just that part now, the part that will go back. So since we started it right when the muzzle flash starts, we're gonna have it already kicked back. So let's put it right there because we want it to have come back, right? And then you only need it for that one frame. So now we're gonna have it stop. So let's have it only for that one frame. And just back how you had it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. It seriously doesn't have to look great. It's just really quick, but it gives the effect that looks good. So really that's all you want right there. But we're going to actually fuzz it. So let's grab our picture and just add Gaussian blur again. Bring the amount up a little bit. And we're also going to fuzz our feather our mask. Just like that, and that is pretty much it. When it's going by fast, I don't advise you use this if you're doing it in slow motion. Don't use this way. But that looks good. And of course you'd add the light from the muzzle flash to the face and everything like I said. Also, if you want to get fancy, you could add a light to the muzzle flash so it kind of, I'll just show you since we have time. So let's create a light, switch to 3D, make it ambient, and then let's add another light. And we're going to bring this one, how do we select it? Okay, we're going to bring it over to our muzzle flash at the very point, and we're going to bring the intensity up. not too much because it'll look bad. So let's make this light only appear when the muzzle flash does, like that. And that'll make it a little better, just to not really show the cheap muzzle flash that you got from Google or whatever. And there you go. And that looks good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any requests, please just tell us. We will be happy to do it for you. And that is it. Please check out our other videos, and also, like I said, we have free stock footage, so you don't have to buy it on our channel. So check it out. Thanks.